I can immediately recognize this box because this is a limited edition. So the Audemars Piguet Royal Oak limited edition Alinghi. Alinghi was a sponsorship that Audemars Piguet picked up early on. The first watch they came out was in the Royal Oak line. It was called the City of Sales. They did it in stainless steel, they did it in rose gold, they did it in platinum. 50, 500, and 1,000. And then they followed up with an offshore because at the time this came out, offshores were all the craze. Nobody cared about Royal Oaks. Everybody wanted the offshore. It was the big watch craze. And they came out with the Alinghi. And it didn't really take off as well initially. And we started talking about like the curse of the Alinghi, right? Anything that had an Alinghi on it, this wasn't really selling well. What I loved about this is
that box.
The box.
You turn that thing.
The box was absolutely amazing. Why does this Alinghi come with a Rolex and a Cartier male bracelet?